Welcome back, people. Today we are doing a
Back glass repair on a Google Pixel XL, the original Google Pixel. And the owner of it is our friend, and he doesn't currently use it, but I mean it's still a good phone. And he opted for the blue back glass. So
we went with blue
sunglasses.
glasses. Yeah, outside. So
anyway, as you can probably see, I don't know if you can with that lighting.
It is shattered.
It is really cracked and shattered and messed up. So we're gonna be repairing that.
Here we
Let's
go.
do this.
So now we're gonna heat it up with the heat gun. I've taken all the glass off here. The fingerprint reader did want to pop up a little bit, so you got to hold that down if you do replace one of these phones, back glass, whatever. So we're gonna pause the video, clean up the adhesive, clean up the phone, and we'll apply the new. All right, so we have cleaned all the adhesive off and everything. Now we're gonna put the new one on, and it is sandwiched between a plastic film and a yellow sticky note type deal. And just so you know, I just came through this, and the light shield for the camera light, it is just sitting there because the adhesive is gone, so we put new adhesive on it. So it doesn't sit there now, but it will fall off and you will lose it, so be careful with that. And be careful with the fingerprint reader because it's held on with just a wire, which can't fall off, but you don't want to rip it or bend it. So further ado, here we go. Peel off the yellow sticky note. We're going to line it up just right. And we're going to push it down, make sure it sticks. All right. And it's nice and even with everything, so it doesn't stick up, nothing. And there it is. Done. All right, well, that was the video today. We did the back glass
on a Google Pixel XL. It's the original Google Pixel.
Yeah, XL too. So make sure if you do buy the product, or
there's a 5-inch, and then this is the 5.5 inch. It's the XL. It's a little bigger.
It does make a difference.
Yes, looks a lot nicer. Real smooth. It's actually the cleanest thing on the phone right now. The previous owner, well, the person who owns the phone, told us that it's actually scratched up because he had a case on it and some dirt got back there and it just scratched it up. So
sounds like he never took off the case.
Yeah. Somehow he broke the back glass anyway. But if you like the video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this or other tech things.
Subscribe and like.